Hello YouTube. It's time to go back to working on this car again. Now that the Christmas holidays are out of the way, it's time to add some more content to this channel. Now I was sidestepped a little bit, so I couldn't get the differential put in, but tomorrow morning it's getting done. So I'll make a little list of everything you need to do to swap out your ring and pinion and to add a posi unit to your car. I got these U-joint. You need that for your drive shaft. Pinion bearings. Axle bearings. Limited slip differential bearings on the outsides. Inner and outer pinion bearings. And that's all the bearings and races that you need. I got a few more parts I need to get though. Let's load them in the car. Now when it came to gearing, I wanted to have something like the Police Interceptor. The pre-2006 Police Interceptors came with 327s and a posi, and the top speed was 129. And 2006-2011 Police Interceptors came with 355s and a top speed of 120. So I decided to go with the later models. So I got a set of three 55s, instead of 327s. A chrome differential cover to replace the old rusty one I got on there. And an installation kit. All the small parts you need. A few more things I need to get. Okay, we got the rear end lube, the positraction additive, and the positraction itself. I went with a Yukon gear and axle. I went with the Duragrip. I heard they will be more than adequate for the torque and horsepower level that I got. And that is it. Car is packed and ready for tomorrow. Can't wait to get this done. Till the next video, I'll see you.